Sziasztok! Üdvözöljünk a magyar nyelvtan folyamon. I'm Frederik Cornelius, and today we're going to go through around 24 Hungarian words and their meaning and how to pronounce them. And yeah, welcome. So to start up with, we are in Budapest. Budapest is a város, a city. Város. Here is a pályaudvar, a train station. Two good words to know. In here we will find trains. Trains in Hungarian is called vonat. And if it's more trains in pluralis, it will be vonatok. Because when you have multiple things, you put a K outside. You will find a lot of cars. A car, auto. Cars, autók. And you'll also find some buses, which is in Hungarian autobus. Reggel, morning, reggel. Fun fact, breakfast is reggeli. Very close. If it's your first time here in Hungary and you're maybe just a tourist, there are some greetings you can use, like hello, it's szia. If you greet multiple people, it's sziasztok. So you gotta have this in mind. Also, jó napot means good day, jó estét means good evening, and jó reggelt means good morning. Exactly, you're learning. Wow, sok könyvek. So in Hungarian, book is könyv. Quite difficult to pronounce. Könyv. And multiple books are könyvek. Now you're learning the word étterem, meaning restaurant. Actually, it's two words together. Ét, which is eating. Terem, which is a room, so eating room. There's also kávézó. Guess what that is? A cafe. And bolt means a shop. So you can put a lot of words together. Actually, the Hungarian word for butcher is a húsbolt. So a hús is meat, shop, meat shop. That's a butcher. So it's a really interesting language. And when you, let's say, master the basics, it's quite funny to make the words yourself. So let me know what your favorite word is and your favorite word combination. Jó étvágyat! So if you want to have fun and make a party, it's a buli. Party is a buli. Then you might go to the theater, also called színház. Also a quite interesting word, színház. Szín is a color, ház is a house. It's a color house. Jó napot! Szia! Szeretnék egy mango fagy? Nekem egy karamellas. Köszönjük szépen! So here we have ice cream, fagylalt. It's Hungarian, fagylalt, fudgy people call it. One with mango, and one with karamellas, which is caramel. Very close to English, right? So it shouldn't be so difficult. Jó étvágyat! Wow, nagyon finom volt. This is the Danube. Hot as az Aduna in Hungarian. It's one of the biggest rivers in Europe, and it is full of water, which is in Hungarian víz. So as you might have learned already, Hungarian isn't that difficult actually. It all makes sense when you have looked and maybe tried to say the different words a few times. Then it already makes sense in your head maybe. And I mean, it is a very different language compared to other European languages, but as I said, a lot of the words make sense. So let me know if we should do more of these videos, because we can do tons. While I'm studying and learning Hungarian, it's also very good for me to tell people how the language is, because then it makes more sense to me. So let me know if we should do more. We use the word viszontlátásra. Also a short version, viszlát. Thank you for watching, and take care, and leave a like if you like this kind of educational content. We'll be bringing a lot of videos the next year, because we have taken a lot of time off to make a lot of videos. So if you like it and want to support us, my music, Aisha's work, please also become a member on Patreon or YouTube. It really supports a lot. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.